Hello and welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. I'm your coach, Dave Thompson, and you know what? I've been working since last time you checked with me on this project. Well, I've done the edges and applied my chemical of choice to the area floor. I've got my twin brush cylindrical machine. I'm getting ready to scrub that in. Now, as I said before, don't use a pad on a rubber floor. As you can see, this is the knobby rubber floor. In order to get around all those little rubber knobs, I'm going to use that brush. Now, unfortunately, I'm going to have my back to you while I run the machine, so bear with me. I'm going to show you how it works. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, I didn't put the guards on it. I wanted you to see what's happening. So folks, here's the thing. Use that cylindrical brush, get around all those little knobs. I'll be back with you after a while. I'm going to go ahead and scrub this, pick it up, and I'll show you the end result.